All right, YouTube, we have a fantastic day today. I was walking around and I came across the general manager of XREAL. This is Ralph. Everybody knows Ralph. It doesn't have his yellow suit on because, maybe that's retired. But I just posted a video an hour ago, and there are a few questions that some of you have already. And who is best to answer those questions better than Mr. Ralph himself?
No, you probably are. You probably are, no more than I do.
All right, so, I'm going to have some more questions answered for you guys later on, but for now, here are the questions that I have. How many monitors or displays will the XREAL Aura provide?
You'll be able to do 5 different displays anywhere in your 7-degree field of view, or you can put stuff even further out and then go find it wherever you want to look.
So you can
put
depth.
Up to 5.
So you're going to have like real depth, right?
Oh, real depth.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Okay, great. Second question is, will it support controllers? I know this is something that a lot of gamers have been asking because a lot of you want to be able to play full mobile games, and that is something that the Beam Pro didn't quite support. So a lot of people wanted to know about that. Will it support controllers, mobile controllers?
Yes.
Bluetooth
And here's
controllers?
exactly right. Bluetooth controllers. So at home, I'm always connecting my Xbox gamepad into here as an Xbox player.
Yeah.
But you could do a DualSense and a PlayStation controller. Anything with Bluetooth you can connect on in. But here's what's really cool.
Yeah.
So the answer, yes. But you can also connect to this kind of a controller.
Steam Deck.
Yeah, baby. Because Aura has 2 USB-Cs in the bottom and DP out, I can plug Aura into my handheld gaming console. So I've got my Asus ROG Xbox Ally X. I can connect this into this with my Aura glasses, and then I can extend my experiences. I can extend this into Aura's field of view, and then I can extend Gemini onto this and ask for help.
Oh, okay. So Gemini has an understanding of what you're doing.
Whatever we plug into through the DP out, I can have Gemini look into a game when I get stuck. We did this the other day. I got stuck on Silksong, and I asked Gemini for help, and it looked into my machine, it looked into my screen, it knew what to do, it looked into the internet and told me how to fix it. Like, that was amazing.
That's impressive.
Yeah, that was really cool.
That is cool. That is next level. All right. The next question is, will there be another Beam Pro?
Yeah, I get the question. So I don't think about like Aura as replacing Beam Pro, and I can't tell you the whole roadmap of other devices that are coming, but somebody like you, Cola, and anybody who's been on the journey and who knows Beam to Beam Pro, I bet if you grabbed a Beam Pro today and 1S or 1 Pro and tried them out, you'll see the breadcrumbs to what Aura is. You'll recognize, like, we got to Aura because of what Beam Pro was. So I bet you'll see the breadcrumbs if you did them side by side.
Yeah.
Will there be another Beam in the future? I don't want to tell you right now, but Beam absolutely and Beam Pro absolutely got us to where we are today and was a real important breadcrumb to get into what Aura is.
Absolutely. Okay, what is the future of XREAL glasses? Because now we have Aura. Is this the trend? Like, are we now gonna have glasses that just basically all, spatial computing devices, or can we have something simpler, something more affordable?
Yeah.
What is that?
We're not going to stop doing what we do. We're not going to stop what brought us to the table, which is really good wearable displays. And I've got my 1S right here. I've got my 1 Pro right here. I've even got X by XREAL, the XBX right here. Let's go ahead and take those out. So we're going to keep doing wearable display glasses like this because this is what we're really good at. We've done this since 2017. We've been shipping these since 2019. We've made more and sold more than anybody. We're really good at this. We're going to keep doing this, but we're also going to do spatial computing with Android XR. We'll do both at the same time. Because Aura is coming and is almost here, doesn't mean we're done with display glasses. We're going to keep doing this. We're really good at it. Like, XBX is on its way, right? It's in China now, doing amazing. It's going to be here in the U.S. in July, so it's almost here.
Can you tell us the price point and field of view?
Yeah, so what's really cool about X by XREAL, and this is A01, is that product model. It's a 50-degree field of view. 50. It's 62 grams. Like, that's the lightest thing we've ever made.
Very light.
You can see
Super
it's that
light.
Different design too, right? Like, there's your there's your 1S, and there's the XBX-A01. Like a little bit of a different design, a little more sunglass, a little more subtle, a little more flare.
And I just realized it's semi-transparent.
Yeah,
that's nice.
Yeah.
That's neat.
It's a different bird bath in there. It's a triangular, but it's much smaller.
Right.
That's a 50-degree field of view. This is 52. 0 DOF, native 3 DOF, $450, $299.
Yeah, this is impressive. Man, you guys have to really feel how light this thing is. It's incredibly light. So this would be perfect for situations where some of us, I know it might sound weird, but I do like to get on my my fitness bike and put on.
It's gonna be great.
Yeah, this would be great.
Yeah, it's 0 DOF, so we're kind of going back to just, boom, there's a wearable display.
Right.
There's a big display, which we're really good at.
Yeah.
But again, at that gateway market, $299 price, the components in this are really good. It is still a premium pair of glasses, even with that entry-level price.
Yeah, this is exceptional. And I bet I can make some 3D printed stuff for this. I'm going to try.
Check this out. Check this out. I know you can because we made it.
Oh!
We made it so you could do that. Right? This is fully replaceable.
Wait,
right?
what?
You want to scan this and make your own?
I saw something like that online,
Isn't that cool?
But I thought it was a prototype.
No, this is real. This is the consumer model.
Okay, wow.
And so you'll be able to do that. You want to make your own and do something really interesting? I can't wait to see what you or the community makes.
Okay.
It just snaps back on.
That's cool. That's cool.
Neat.
That is cool.
Right,
That
so
is cool.
that's what that'll do. But then Aura is on its way. Aura is coming this fall.
Yeah.
The reservations have been going really well, and then it's coming. It's real.
This is the product that I've been the most excited about. I think I can't even say how long, but I've been looking forward to this for so long. I've watched every video that I can. Even when I read the specs, I'm always going back to the fact that we have a form factor like this with 70 degrees field of view that now gives us a different form factor from Galaxy XR, that's incredible.
Yeah, and Galaxy XR is an awesome headset. We love it, right?
Yeah.
We're all in the Android XR family, so I love what Galaxy XR does. We can do a lot of that performance, not 100%, but we can do a lot of that performance. But in glasses, we're really excited about this. It's on its way, and it's almost here.
That's great. That's great. All right. The last question. Well, I have two more questions for you, sir. One of them is, would there be a trade-in possibility for?
Good question. So, do you want a trade-in program? Do we want that? Is that helpful? Because we tried one a year ago, a couple months ago, right? And we had done one with Beam to Beam Pro, and then we had done a any glasses trade-in program. So we're learning. There's different ways to do it. We're learning how to get better at it. So tell us you want one and be loud about it, and let me talk to the team.
You guys need to be loud about it because the way I am, I've tried the Aura, and I genuinely feel like this can. So I bounce between different glasses, and this is the first time I feel like one can truly replace them all. And if there's a trade-in, I would trade everything in just for this one. It is incredible. You guys have to experience it.
Well, I don't want you to get rid of your other ones, unless it's somebody else's, then you should.
Yeah, but if I can't afford that, I would want to, because this thing is incredible. But okay, the last question that I have for you is, what are you personally the most excited about in terms of this whole collaboration with Qualcomm and Google, and just being able to bring this out? Because this thing looks very, very polished. It seems like it was very well thought of. Like, it took a long time.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. This is a very well thought device.
Yeah.
Aura is beautiful. What we're able to do with this puck, this is a AI spatial computer.
Right.
Snapdragon Reality Elite inside here is super powerful. To put this is a whole computer in kind of a phone form factor as our puck that connects into these glasses, which we've been really good at making for a while, adding the SLAM sensors and the fixed RGB in the middle, but keeping the weight below 95 grams. This was a very thoughtful combination. So I'm really excited about this. And what I think I'm the most excited about is for developers to just go and make whatever they want. Because we're not just a wearable display glass anymore. Meaning you plug into your phone and boom, there's your Netflix. We're great at that. But now there's more than 100 apps made for XR in development right now. So I'm really excited to see just what devs are going to go make for us.
That is pretty cool. I was actually at the event that he just had, and I was listening to it, and I was like, okay, I can see a lot of possibilities in the enterprise world with these glasses. That's really great. One of the questions someone asked me in one of my previous videos where they asked about the possibility of using something like this in an enterprise environment where they can, have a pass-through, video pass-through, and I'm glad we finally have something like that. But thank you so much for your time, sir.
No, man, thank you.
Busy,
thank
man.
you. Thank you. Thanks for
much.
what you do and for keeping the channel going. This is the best.
Make sure
you guys are the
like,
best.
comment, and subscribe, and make sure you guys are loud about that trading possibilities. And if you are at this event, the AWE 2026, make sure you go try this glasses on. I think that you guys are going to be very, very impressed because they've done a fantastic job with this device right here. But thanks for watching.
Thanks, Cola.